If you're truly serious about growing your hair longer, stronger and thicker, then you will never ever joke with these two ingredients. This is one of the fastest natural hair growth secret they don't want you to know. Yes, I'm talking about fresh ginger and onion. These two simple kitchen ingredients, when combined together, can completely transform your hair beyond your expectation just in weeks. And today I'll be showing you exactly how to make this powerful mix and how to apply it in order to get the best results. Hi natural lovers, welcome back to Everyday with Mandy and welcome back to yet another powerful and interesting video. So like I said, today's recipe is so powerful. Onions and ginger combined together forms a powerful duo that boosts growth, reduce shedding, fight dandruff and keep your scalp healthy and alive. So stay with me as I walk you through on how to make this and most importantly how to use this. And trust me, once you try this recipe, it might just become your favorite. So the first thing is prepping your ingredients. Yes, we're going to be peeling the skin of our onions and scraping out the skin of our fresh ginger. You're going to be using 1 medium-sized onions and 1 medium-sized ginger. Ginger contains a natural stimulant that increases blood flow to your scalp, and when your scalp gets proper circulation, your follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients, and that's exactly what triggers faster growth. And onions on the other hand is loaded with sulfur, the same nutrient your hair uses to build keratin, which keeps your strands strong, thick and elastic. And this means less breakage, less thinning and more visible length retention. Then after prepping your ingredients, after peeling their skin, you are going to wash them properly to remove any form of dirt from them. And the next thing, we are going to be extracting their juice, and to do that you can either use a blender. Yes, if you have a blender, what you will do is just to cut these onions and ginger into smaller sizes, and after that you will pour them into your blender, adding some water, enough water that can help the blender blend this properly, and you go ahead and blend. But if you don't have a blender, you can use this stuff I'm using here, or you can use a mortar and pestle or anything at all that you can use to crush this. So guys, before we proceed, I want you to do something real quick for me. Please take a second and hit that like button. In case you've not liked this video, please give it a thumbs up right away, okay? Alright, now that you've liked the video, let's proceed. After crushing these ginger and onions, you can see the juice right there popping. That's a liquid gold, and we've not yet added in any water. I'll just go ahead and transfer this into a clean bowl. Make sure your bowl is clean. And now we are going to be adding in some water just to dilute the juice of this ginger and onions. Onion juice and ginger juice can be strong, so you don't want to be applying the raw juice on your scalp like that, especially if you have a sensitive scalp. Please do well to dilute this properly with water. And the next thing, we're going to be straining this mixture using a cheesecloth or a fine sieve just to remove any beads and the pulp. You only need the pure liquid because that's where all the nutrients are. One good thing about this recipe is so simple to make and is very affordable, and it's going to give you even what all these expensive products are not going to give you. And now that we are done straining, in case you need extra nourishment just to improve this, is optional though. You can add in some aloe vera juice, or you can add in some essential oil like peppermint and all that. And after that, you're going to be transferring this into your spray bottle, just like I'm doing. Now, here is where most people might get this wrong, and this is the application. The way you apply this matters. You can get every other thing right, but if you don't get the application of this correctly, you might as well just be wasting your time, and it will just be a total waste of effort. So stay with me as I walk you through on how to use this for effective results. To apply this, you're going to start off on a dry hair, and don't forget to always shake each time you want to use this, okay? So you're going to be applying this on your scalp. You might likely want to section your hair so that your scalp can be visible, and you're going to be spraying this directly on your scalp and not on your hair strands, because your scalp is where all the growth takes place. So you're going to spray this generously all over your scalp. So while applying this, try as much as possible to avoid contact with your eyes. And another safe way you can apply this is to pour the mixture into a bowl, then use cotton wool to dab it into your scalp. That way it's safer and you don't need to worry about it running down your face or entering your eyes. You know, both ginger and onions kind of have this peppery sensation, so if you can't tolerate it touching your skin, you can just use a cotton wool instead of using a spray bottle. So after spraying this, you're going to be using your fingertips to massage your scalp in a circular motion for about 5 to 10 minutes. And this massage is just like, it's almost everything, because it's going to help activate blood flow and help your follicles absorb the nutrients of this mixture deeply. And after that, you're going to allow this sit on your hair for 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours, as much hour as you can tolerate. And after that, you're going to be rinsing this out with plain water. There is no need for shampoo, except you wish. You can just use a mild shampoo to wash this off. Inside the water you use to rinse this off, in order to control the smell of the onions or maybe the ginger, you can just add in a few drops of apple cider vinegar or a few drops of lemon into the water. This will help reduce the smell of the onion. After rinsing, apply some oil to your scalp just to lock in the moisture. And also remember, this spray is not a magic spray, so you need to be consistent to actually see results. Use at least 2 times in a week, and within 2 to 4 weeks you're going to notice a huge difference in the length and the thickness of your hair. Just be consistent with this spray and thank me later. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Everyday with Mandy. And of course, do not forget to drop a comment. See you guys on my next video. Bye.